February horoscope for Cancer moon sign. General. Cancer people can go through a mixed period this month. The relationship with your seniors can be problematic as Sun is in the 8th house now. But since Saturn and Jupiter are in the 7th house, they will protect your reputation to an extent. You'll have some problem in relationships, even with your spouse and your in-laws. And you may get into a fight at home. Jupiter and Saturn will give growth and progress. The Sun, Mars, Venus and Mercury will make you realize that you must subdue your ego, expectation, attachments and desires as they are the main cause of misery in the world. Career. This month can be average for your career, especially since your efforts and hard work at work may not be recognized by your seniors, and this may cause some demotivation and frustration. There will be differences in opinion between you and your colleagues, and since you may bring some house problems to the work table, this can hamper the progress at work and can stress you out, which is not ideal. You will find yourself having obstacles ahead of you, and some colleagues may be against you. Tread carefully. Love relationships. You may want to spend time with your spouse and improve your relationship, but all of a sudden, some unwanted financial topic and ancestral property related talk may arise in your family, which may make things difficult. You can improve your relationships this month when Venus is in your 7th house. But you must be careful as Venus will be transiting your 8th house by this month end. It may be difficult to talk to your better half. Jupiter, the planet of your destiny, is placed in the 7th house with Saturn and Venus, making you work towards your marital happiness. Divine technique for marital harmony. Jupiter Puja. Finances. Finances can bring some mixed results for you this month, especially since your spouse-related expenses can make you angry. Unwanted expenses can happen, which can upset you as Sun will be in your 8th house. Also, in the last week of this month, Venus will be there with the Sun. So you can save money if you are careful with your expenses and investments, and can find way of controlling your expenses related to spouse in-laws. Divine technique to improve your finances. Lakshmi Kubera Puja. Health. Your health may be average this time, but no major ailments are seen as Jupiter will be in the 7th house and can give you good health. You will receive full emotional support from your spouse until the end of this month. Jupiter will aspect your Lagna, so this will be good for your health. But since the Sun is in the 8th house, you must take care of your health and especially your eyes. Eat healthy food as Saturn is also aspecting your Lagna. You can get relief from stress by meditating. Divine technique to improve your health. Sun Puja. Business. Partnership business may be mostly good for you this month. Think carefully before signing any contract. Saturn, 7th and 8th Lord, is with Jupiter, 6th and 9th Lord. Also, Sun, your 2nd Lord, is in 8th. So this can give you good results and destiny. You may get some business partnership deals from unexpected sources, but you can get into trouble with the law. Professionals. Cancer professionals by nature very sensitive. Their hard work can be recognized this month, but they need to wait to be recognized by their seniors. Soon they will be recognized and rewarded for their talents, skills and efforts, especially their leadership abilities. Continue your work with diligence and this can help you attain your professional goals. Work travels can bring some good results for you. Mars, the planet of profession, will be in your ninth house of destiny and luck. You may find yourself traveling abroad and getting good success and victory. Divine technique to improve your career. Mars Puja. Students may find this time good and easier than the previous months, but you must not let your attention wander. You can be motivated to work hard and succeed in solving all problems on the path to your academic success. Those pursuing research degrees can benefit. Students in the arts and creative fields can do moderately well. You can find competitive exams hard. Divine technique to improve your education. Jupiter Puja. Let's look at the favorable and inauspicious dates. Auspicious dates 1, 2, 3, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 20, 24, 25. Inauspicious dates 4, 5, 6, 8, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 22, 23, 26, 27, 28,